Hey y'all, hey party people. This is your girl, Deeja the Diva, and I'm coming at you today with a video of what's for supper. Now, as you can see, well, you might not be able to tell everything that's in there. It is chicken and shrimp Alfredo, and it's quick, simple, and easy, and let me get to it so you guys can see what we're having for dinner tonight. And this is one of our fall dinners. See, I got the fettuccine noodles, Giant Eagle. It was 89 cents on sale. That's the whole pound. And I use seasoning salt. I think I got that from Dollar Tree. And this roasted garlic parmesan. And I have my seasonings. The Italian seasoning, Dollar Tree. This is great value. So that is paprika from Walmart. Dollar Tree onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Now I did do the great value chunk chicken. And I had 2 packages of the shrimp. But as you can see, I cleaned my shrimp and took the tails off. I go to many restaurants who serve shrimp scampi and stuff with the tails on. I don't understand that. We don't eat the tails. Take the time and show pride in your food and your work and take the tails off. Okay, so first I sauteed my onions and my garlic in half oil, half butter. Then after I got that done, I put the chicken in there with some seasonings and the cleaned and detailed shrimp. After I got that sauteed up and the onions were see-through and everything was smelling delicious, I added a little bit of lemon juice, just that citrus blend. So I did my ragu roasted garlic Alfredo, had that going there in the pot with the seasonings and everything. It was smelling real good, so I decided I needed some more sauce. So I made me some sauce, and here's how I did it. I took half a cup, well, 1 full cup of heavy cream, a stick of butter, and some real Parmesan, Romano, and Asalgo cheese from Trader Joe's. And I mixed it, and I mixed it, and I mixed it, and added some more seasonings and some mozzarella cheese, and boop, there you go. Some more goodness up in there. Mixed it all together, got my noodles al dente because it still cooks while it's in the pan here. I love pan meals. It still cooks while it's in the pan. Look how plump and nice those shrimp are. Yes. Now those are the jumbo shrimp from Walmart. They're $5.89 a bag. I got 2 bags, and I had 2 cans of the chunk chicken breast, and I think they were like $4.98. And a little bit later, when everybody's ready, I got that garlic bread. Now this was $2.39. I got 2 of them. This was $2.39 a piece at Walmart. Just stick it in the oven 10 minutes. Let it get bubbly brown. Boom, it's done. Ready for a meal. And to top it off, I got my famous, yes, apple cider. It's that time of the year, y'all. It's that time of the year. And for the snack or dessert, I found some cupcakes on sale. Day old, but if I would have had them here sitting at the house, they would have been day old too. But at a discount. Instead of paying $6 something, I paid $3.46. So, yep. That is what the Deeja is cooking. I hope you guys have a fabulous evening, and I will see you guys again when I do another video. I love you guys to life. Please click that like and subscribe button. Stay blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, act blessed, and be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. You guys, keep it easy.